What tools are needed to adjust the water pressure to one's home if the pressure is higher than normal, which may be considered 75 psi and above? The tools are very simple. It's a very simple complex. This is what they call a pressure reducing valve. It takes high water pressure on one side and reduces it to lower pressure on the other side. The range is, generally speaking, 25 to 75 psi, pounds per square inch. So the tools needed are very simple. One may be able to use a flathead screwdriver. This is a 9/16 gear wrench. I love these gear wrenches. One may be able to use just a small crescent wrench, or even a larger for that matter. So these three tools will suffice. So if one takes the gear wrench, there are two nuts on this. One lower nut that's like a lock nut. This nut needs to be loosened first. Then for mnemonics, we will say right to height. Again, right to height, higher pressure. Left to low, left to lower pressure. So if righty tighty, right to height increases the water pressure, left to low decreases the water pressure. So once this nut here is loosened, then simply take, in this case, a 9/16 a gear wrench, place it upon this, turn it to the right to the height to increase the pressure, to get a higher pressure. The maximum pressure you will get will be 75 psi. If one wants to turn it lower, 50 and below is considered a little on the low side. The lowest this will possibly go may be in the range of 25, but the range is normally 25 to 75 psi. 75 psi is a great working pressure. So again, right to height, left to low. And the tools needed are simply perhaps a flathead screwdriver, if this had a flathead on here, or some may even have, can't say for certain, may have a 1/2 inch, which would be perhaps close to a 13 millimeter. And in this particular case, this is a 9/16, which may be close to a 14 millimeter. So if I take this 9/16 and gear wrench and I turn it to the right, the pressure is going to increase until 75 psi. Right to height, left to lower. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.